So what's inside the Lotte supermarket? Today is Christmas Day, December 24. We're leaving grocery. Ito yung fruit section nila. I like this one, the grapes.
Ask her.
Sis, either mashed potato or pasta.
Anong in-order mo?
Kailangan ng pasta mo pag ano.
They have, what's this? So kung ano yung price dyan, you multiply by 0.4. That's equivalent pesos, no? For example, dyan 840, 0.4, so that's around 32 pesos. You have this no? Korean cuisine. Alam natin kung they have also the meat section. There's a meat section here. May meat section dito. So yeah. So there's a meat section here. Tour of Lotte supermarket. Parang hindi na siya convenience store. Parang supermarket na rin. They have fish here. Idea anong sa loob, no, ng isang Korean supermarket. You have the juices there and yeah. Of course, water, junk food here. Usual, the noodles, the hot noodles. Mahilig sa mga spicy food. Okay. So we're having shopping. Ano to siya? These are shells. Mga dried fish. Ito. Smoked fish.